Right, let's take a look at these angle polygon past paper questions then. So the diagram below shows part of a regular polygon. So I can see that its internal angle is 162. How many sides does this regular polygon have altogether? So to work that out, I need to know what the external angle is. So the external angle will be, it lies on a straight line with the internal, so it'll be 180 less 162 equals 18 degrees. So the external angle is 18 degrees. So for the number of sides, I need to know how many of these 18-degree turns there are in 360 degrees. So 360 divided by 18, 20. So there are 20 sides. Question 2. Diagram below shows part of a regular polygon. Calculate the number of sides of this regular polygon. This time I've got the external angle, so I just need to see how many 45-degree turns there are in 360 degrees. So 360 divided by 45, 8 sides, so it's an octagon. Question's not asking you for the name of it, but you write it down, better chance of remembering it. There are two regular polygons, x and y. The size of each exterior angle in the regular polygon x is 9 degrees. Each interior angle of the regular polygon y is 120. So polygon x and I want to find out how many sides in each. So polygon x, I know the exterior angle is 9. So to work out the number of sides, it's just 360 divided by 9. I want to see how many 9-degree turns there are in 360. So it's a 40-sided polygon. For polygon y, in this one, it's the interior, the internal angle I know is 120. So I need to work out the exterior angle first. So the exterior angle is 180 less 120, which is 60 degrees. So I know that that is 60. So I then want to see how many times 60 turns in 360. So the number of sides is 360 divided by 60. So 6 sides. So regular polygon x has 40 sides, regular polygon y has 6 sides. A regular polygon has exterior angles of 24 degrees. How many sides does the regular polygon have? So with this one, they're telling me the exterior. So I've just got to do number of sides, 360, how many 24-degree turns are there in 360? 360 divided by 24, 15. So it's a 15-sided polygon. Question 5. Each exterior angle again. So how many sides does this one have? Number of sides equals 360 divided by 18. 20 sides. So hopefully you can see these are fairly repetitive questions. You're only going to be asked one of these. You're not going to ask multiple, but if you can remember the relationship, it's easy marks. Okay. So the diagram shows a regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Calculate the size of angle X. You must show all your working and support your answer. Right. So it's a regular hexagon, which means that all the sides are the same length. So that means triangle ABF is isosceles. Those sides are going to be the same length, which means that angle and that angle are going to be the same. So if I can work out that angle, then I can use the properties of an isosceles triangle. And that angle is an internal angle where I've got the external angle there. So I need to calculate the external angle of a regular hexagon. So the exterior or external angle, it's 6 sides. So that will be 360 divided by 6. 60 degrees. So I know that that angle there is 60 degrees. So this angle now is going to be 180 less 60. So angle FAB, okay, so using the angle notation we met last week, will be 180 straight line less those 60 degrees. So that angle is 120. So angle X, using what we know about isosceles triangles, will be 180 degrees in a triangle less the 120 that we know, which is going to be 60, and then divide that by 2 because the 60 is for both of those angles. So that angle is 30 degrees, and so is that one. So that one's a little bit more challenging because you've got the spot, it's regular, so those sides are the same length, which makes that triangle isosceles. Then you've got to figure how you can work out that. Spot that it's an internal angle, and then you calculate the external angle, and then you into properties of triangle. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 160 degrees. How many sides does this regular polygon have? And this is a QCW question. So if I draw myself a little sketch, I know the interior is 160, so this is the exterior. So exterior would be 180 less 160, which is 20 degrees. The number of sides I know would be 360 divided by the size of the exterior angle. So 360 divided by 20 equals 18 sides. And for the OCW, that's all you need to do is make sure that you're explaining that the exterior and the interior add up to 180, and you can use that to find the exterior, and then you're using your relationship for the number of sides to that exterior angle. And then final question. Diagram shows a square drawn inside a regular hexagon. So all these sides are the same length and all the angles are going to be the same as angle A. Calculate the size of angle A. So angle A, first of all we can work out the exterior angles. So exterior angle will be 360 divided by 6, because there's 6 sides. So that's 60 degrees, which means angle A then is going to be lying on a straight line. So that's going to be 120 degrees. So each of these angles is 120 degrees. Calculate the size of angle B. Now, so angle B is inside this triangle, and because I know that that is a square, and one of the sides of the squares is the side of the hexagon, it means that that side and that side are the same, which means this is an isosceles triangle. I know because it's a square that that is 90, and I know that that whole angle there is the interior angle of the hexagon, so that's going to be 120 degrees. So that means that this bit of the triangle is going to be 120 less 90, which will be 30 degrees. So if I know that that is 30 degrees, what I've now got is an isosceles triangle where the two bottom angles are the same. If that's B as well. So B is going to be 180 less the top angle, which is 30, which means that's 150, and then I divide that by 2 because I've got 2 of those. So B is 75 degrees. Okay, so those are the polygon questions, where they're either polygons in their own right, or with that last couple they're mixed up with other angle property questions that push them into the grade B. Hopefully you did okay. If not, watch the video and let me know if you need any more support.